Yeah. Oh, it's running. Okay, they turned it off. That guy was there to save the day. But we was in there real crooked. What we doing? What we doing? Trim down. She should come back. She should come back. Oh boy. This is the place to have the kill cord. I've seen him thrown off right here at the ramp. He's a frequent flyer around here, so that's gonna be sure to piss some people off. Look at this. Look at this. I wasn't even recording, folks. Welcome back to another video right here on the channel. You're watching The Big Dan Show. Literally just pulled up, just got my camera set up. Some of our friends here, we're friendly with everybody. We make a friend anywhere we go. Well, some of our channel subscribers and some friends that we made here at the ramp over the years, they just came up. Big Dan, you just missed the money shot. You missed the money shot. The guy in the pontoon on lane 7, which I'll pan over there. This guy right here, he was all the way trimmed up, motor out of the water and gunning it. Whoa, couldn't figure out why it wouldn't go. And he was backing into somebody else. He was drifting into somebody else. Almost chopped their dang freaking side of their boat up. We're a little late, but we're here. It's only 2 o'clock, so we got a ton of time left today. It's gonna be a lot of good content for you guys, and we're gonna have a good time. So stay tuned, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get on with the show.
For your help.
Oh, you're welcome, no problem. They got their hands on their hips now. They're like, come on, Margaret, you got this. She's like, come on, you get in here. He's like, let me have it. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. See, I'm shooting with a new lens this year. I'm worried that I'm not going to be able to paint the whole picture in here unless I'm up on the top. You can see quite a few boats in here. People are, I mean, you're getting that real feel right here on the water, you know, at the water line, but I don't know, it's a little different from, you know, our usual angle up on top of the bank there. So it's all in good fun. Come on, how you doing?
Big dummy hit.
Man, I missed one right when I pulled up.
Did you?
Guy had his prop out of the water. He was like, I mean, it was a foot out of the water. He was in reverse full throttle. Whoa, trying to figure out what. And he was in forward, and he was drifting into somebody else's side. Everybody's like, trim it down. And I'm like,
wait until I get the camera going. Wait.
That. We're gonna get a reset on 3, reset on 5 and 6. He's trimmed up a bit. They're way too deep. He's gonna sneak it in there. They look good on 3. They're at the right depth, but they got the bimini top up, and it's creating all that drag, so it just threw him off a little bit. What's going on? We got 2 people trying to take a lane right here at once. It's like the Ford and the Chevy. Using it like it's supposed to. Feel like the Ford was going to try to go down the middle, and that guy's like, no, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all hear him over there? Yeah.
After I saw you, I said, nope, I'm not back in the truck.
Y'all gonna do just fine.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
No, I'm not doing
Now I
it.
gotta do it.
Not today.
You gonna do just fine.
No, not today.
Thought it was John Daly. Hold on, let me zoom out. I'm too zoomed in. How y'all doing today? Good. Well, that's good.
I like that. Yeah.
Uh-oh, we was in there real crooked. What we doing? What we doing? Trim down. She should come back. She should come back.
Okay, and I finished. So if you get Ashley,
Oh boy.
Ashley did. Okay. Yeah.
Probably get some interesting stuff right here.
Oh yeah, 100%.
What channel is it?
The Big Dan Show. How y'all doing? I think he's in too deep. And maybe he's up between the bunks or something in the trailer. I don't know. He doesn't look like he's centered. He needs to pull up the truck. Trim it down, that'll help. It's freaking 8 feet deep right there. You take that thing off every time you come and go?
If I don't, it'll.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Same boat problem.
That's a pain.
It ain't that bad. I mean.
Mine's a lot heavier than that, so it is a pain. I took it off the other day. I was like, oh my gosh.
With all this wind, bearded bear Beardo keeps it laid down.
Oh, there you go. Give him
Free
this.
advertisement.
That's right. You give him that advertisement. Is that a safe place for any person to ride? You let me know. Here we go. Lane 1. That Mercury over there in lane 4 is whining. You hear, that thing sounds sick. Like sick as in that's a good thing. Oh, uh-oh. Oh no. What's going on?
Not much. How's the entertainment?
Oh, it's going.
The wind always helps, right?
Oh yeah. Especially with the beers about 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Don't feel me when I'm going.
Yeah. Uh-oh, we're getting a re-dip on one. Re-dip on one. Oh, they done backed her down. They were on there perfect, but I don't think maybe they were on there enough. They just backed it back down into the water for a re-dip and the trailer come off. I don't understand what's going on here. What do you guys think happened? I don't know. She looked good. I don't understand what happened. Oh man, they're new subscribers too. It's okay. I can't feel bad. They did it to themselves. It happens to everybody from time to time. It's just entertaining. So, like I say all the time, if you find yourself on the channel, it is what it is. It's all in good fun. People are here to learn. They're here to laugh. They're here to have fun, and we're here for a good time. So, don't get offended if you see yourself on the channel. A lot of people from all over watch this channel to help them get through a busy work week, or people that maybe I had several people message me that were very sick, terminally ill. They said this channel has put a smile on their face and kind of helped them get through hard times. So that right there, I mean, that's pretty cool. You know, yeah, I'm making a living doing it, but to hear from somebody like that that's really struggling, and I can, you know, maybe help them in life get through a hard time, that's cool. So, all right, boat's in gear. I don't know if she knows, but the boat was just in gear. Oh gosh, I'm feeling bad. I don't even know what's going on right now. So, okay, that looks better to me right there. That's it. It looks a lot better to me. Now the question is, are they going to leave it in gear when they exit? Looks like the water's moving just subtly behind that motor. Yeah. Oh, it's running. Okay, they turned it off. That guy was there to save the day. The guy was there to save the day. I was going to help him out. I done made friends with these people. They were there for too long. I ain't going to let them burn it up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Prop wash kicked him out of the way from his neighbor. Oh. Oh. I'm having too much fun over here. Can't help it.
It was a pretty day out there.
It was. It got overcast there about noon.
Yeah. It was getting hot.
Yeah, there was a lot of people out. Man, I just complimented one. This is the place to have the kill cord. I've seen them thrown off right here at the ramp. My man is in a hurry. He's a frequent flyer around here, so that's gonna be sure to piss some people off. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Golly.
It's fun to watch you.
Oh yeah, I appreciate it. What in the... Oh my God, I'm not even gonna look. I'm just gonna let the camera look. I can't even look right now. They got that puppy trimmed up, boy. What in the... Look at the dock wranglers go, boy. It's freaking pontoon city around here. I'm talking about pontoon city. So it ain't nothing fancy. Grady White. I said, I'm here for you. He goes, oh man, I've never even been on a boat. Today you're probably gonna get a fail. I said, don't worry, I'm here for it. In the meantime, check out the scene. Pretty boat. Oh, pontoon coming in hot. All right, let's check them out. Back to lane 1. They're in too deep, bro. Oh, he splashed that one nicely. Right where she belongs. Yeah, we're in too deep on lane 1. What in the world? What in the world? Yeah! Welcome to the channel! How'd he get in there crooked like that? This dude's ready to jump out the tuna door. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. There's a dock there. There's a dock there. Oh! Oh my gosh. Just back up! That's my buddy. He left him hanging. I had to call him off. I'm not here for them. I'm here for y'all. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. The Grady White can't be this good. They're cooked, bro. It's over. It's over. Watch the prop. Watch the prop. You almost knocked the barnacles off the pilings. Are you guys watching the same show I'm watching? How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I don't want to be able to.
Hey, dude, you was gonna help him out. I was like, no.
I was looking for you first, and I didn't see you. And then I thought, well, I'll help him in here. What's going on?
I'm live on Facebook too. I got the double duo happening.
I hear you. Yeah, they in trouble.
They're in big trouble. It ain't looking good. Go ahead, sweetie. Help. You help.
I tried to.
They got the gaff out.
The problem was he had the trailer about 8 feet too deep.
Yeah, I know. I told him.
And I
Right
said,
off
man,
the
you better
rip.
pull it up. But he pulled it up.
Come on, come on.
Pulled the
you're
boat
good.
up too. It's Saturday.
It's gonna be a good one.
Everybody's rusty.
Oh yeah, rusty and hammered.
Oh yeah.
This guy's got the dang. He got the push pole out. Come on by, sweetie.
Sorry.
Oh, you're all right.
Gotta go to the bath.
Don't worry, y'all gonna be able to watch a replay on the big screen tonight. This one right here, he's got the fenders out. Hey, y'all share the video. Y'all share the video. Where you watching from? I'd love to know. We got 57,000 followers on the page. 46,000 on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go do it right now. The Big Dan Show. You can find all our long form content there. We like to have a good time, so let us know where you're watching from. We're in Orange Beach, Alabama today. Uh-oh, they're backing in even further. This can't, oh gosh, this is not good. Are we gonna get a bloop bloop? Are we gonna get a bloop bloop live on TV? Meanwhile, the pontoon cap that you guys just saw solo, got her on the trailer, is cranking it up, and he's gonna be out of here in a quickness. Where are you watching from? Oh boy. Somebody asked me on my channel the other day, why do you always say, oh boy? Well, you want me to say, oh girl, oh girl. I just heard somebody yell Big Dan. They got the Boosie bad. Always good to see the kids in the PFDs. She got a real young one there in the PFD. It's one of my biggest fears, something happened to one of my kids on the water. Is that motor running? Is that? I don't think it is. I think they're fine. All right, guys, we're gonna sign off. Thanks for tuning in. Again, smash the like button, share with a friend, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Y'all got that Boosie going on. I don't know if y'all behaving.
Hey, that's that Mississippi girl right there. Go ahead and get it.
There's that Boosie Boo.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you? Is that subs up top? Is that what I'm hearing?
Shove at the bottom.
Where'd y'all go today?
Where that from?
Nice.
Right out the floor, right about 4 miles, but it's some back there.
Yeah, nah, you can't do nothing there. What's going on? What? Oh no. Oh, they got to drop the flag, man. I don't know if the whole dang Johnson come up out the water. Golly. We're gonna have a Boosie Boo concert in just a minute. But until then, we're over here on lane 8 and 9. Oh my.
You good?
Go ahead. Yeah, that sounds good. That right there, they beating down the block. Y'all hear them? Can you hear the bass? Golly, he's got like 2 12s in there, 2 10s. The thing is wrapped around all the way around the inside. Uh-oh. Our friends might be shot blocking us. Okay, but they nailed it. All good, all good. That joker's loud. Dude is focusing, bro. It's gonna give you whiplash.
Right?